Are you looking for the best outdoor Wi-Fi extenders? In this video we will look at some of the best outdoor Wi-Fi extenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TP-Link 2.4 GHz N300 Long-Range Wi-Fi Extender. Thanks to its centralized administration application, it's perfect for point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and external Wi-Fi coverage apps. The Ferrite Time Division Multiple Access Technologies TP-Link uses optimize product performance in terms of capacity and latency. This Wi-Fi extension is an excellent solution for business and residential customers due to its professional performance and user-friendly design. Its passive adapter enables up to 60 meters of power over Ethernet deployment and remote device reset. Number 2. Netgear Orbi Tri-Band Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. Suppose you are on the hunt for an overall home Wi-Fi connection paired with some outdoor accessibility. A whole home or mesh Wi-Fi system will be what you're looking for. They are generally a bit more expensive. These ingenious systems allow mirroring of the main router, which the connection can be extended more easily to other parts of a home or outdoors. It is very easy to use and much better than competing extenders. It covers the whole house without sacrificing performance, having a huge difference in bandwidth speed. Number 3. TP-Link AC1750 RE450 Wi-Fi Extender. It is the best budget Wi-Fi extender available on the market in 2022. We were looking at a simultaneous dual-band modem with Wi-Fi AC technology. You will be available to achieve speeds of up to 450 megabytes per second in the 2.4 GHz band. Thanks to 3 external antennas in the 3T, 3R MIMO configuration in the 5 GHz band, you can achieve speeds of up to 1300 megabytes per second. Users can connect to the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz of the router simultaneously so that the data transfer in the link is done simultaneously in both, depending on where we connect. With the help of firmware, we will be able to choose different operating modes easily. It is ideal for choosing the one that provides us with the best speed. Something quite important that this model offers is the addition of a gigabit Ethernet port for connecting equipment via cable. It also allows connection to the home network, but we can also use this port to configure the TP-Link RE450 in AP mode, which is important. It includes LED indicators on the front for the main router's coverage. These LED diodes enable the extender in the best possible place to optimize the wireless speed to the maximum. TP-Link AC1750 RE450 Wi-Fi extender is fully compatible with the TP-Link Tether app for Android and iOS mobile devices in the main menu. Number 4. Netgear AX1800 EAX20 Wi-Fi Extender. It is the best value Wi-Fi extender on the market in 2022. This model offers Wi-Fi coverage of over 1,000 square feet, which will usually be enough to cover the desired areas for most users fully. This model incorporates Wi-Fi 6 technology. Wi-Fi 6 is now widely applied as the standard in this area. The key advantage of Wi-Fi 6 compared to Wi-Fi 5 is speed, with gains of 40% up to 10 gigabytes per second. Thanks to the target wake time feature, the batteries of smartphones, tablets, or laptops should be less and drain slower. Use the Nighthawk app or press the WPS button connects to the router or uses the Netgear Wi-Fi Analyzer app to determine the optimal location. A reset button, for RJ45 ports, and a power input are on the back of the box. Number 5. TP-Link RE450 AC2600 Wi-Fi Extender. It is the best Wi-Fi extender for most people available on the market in 2022. This model is a plug-in unit, super easy to install and use. While packing plenty of strength, it is much larger than most socket extensions, but with that extra size, the device comes in a much longer range. If you have a big home and have to cover much ground, this is one of the best Wi-Fi extenders, with feedback lights on a smart control app. We looked at a very affordable device for various users with clean lines and a minimalist white and metallic finish. This model certainly looks solid. It won't stand out, but if you look at it, it looks futuristic, certainly better than an empty outlet. The unit is 6.3 by 3 by 8 inches, making it one of the largest outlet extensions. On the front are LED lights that, at first glance, display information about the unit. A LED ring is a useful way to find a sweet spot between bases. The TP-Link RE450 AC2600 Wi-Fi extender is a large plug-in model. Number 6. Netgear Nighthawk AC2200x7700 Wi-Fi extender. This device is designed to improve wireless coverage at home. In areas up to 2,300 square feet and speeds up to 2,200 megabytes per second specifically. The X7700 offers 3 Wi-Fi channels, 2 in the 5 GHz band with 866 megabytes per second each and the other at 2.4 GHz with 400 megabytes per second. With an additional 866 megabytes per second channel at 5 GHz but dedicated to communication with the main home router. You will also be able to establish a connection using one of 2 onboard gigabit Ethernet ports, avoiding the congestion of wireless bands if needed. Utilizes several technologies that allow you to have a unique network identifier, such as smart roaming to automatically switch from the network to one of the best coverage. Also, each node has 4 internal antennas and is compatible with MU-MIMO and Smart Connect. It provides channel status analysis at all times. Furthermore, the EKS7700 functions as a 3-band extension, giving you the option to dedicate one of the antennas is only for managing network tasks. The size is quite compact, measuring 7.59 by 4.45 by 1.61 inches, which are likely no more intrusive than any other router you have ever owned. With 18 ounces, the Netgear Nighthawk X7700 is as easy to run like any other router. We find a WPS button, 2 Ethernet ports, an on-off button, a reset button, and a power port on the backside.